What's up guys, for today's video we're going to put to the test flat rocket stove. It actually feels pretty heavy, so it's not really a camping stove, it's more like camp base stove. Let's put it all together. There you go. And then we'll close it all at the same time. Gotta get this one going as well. You know what? Once you figure out how to set it up, it'll be a lot easier. I forgot this one as well. But yeah, best to do it like that. Put it all one side, put it to the side, and plug them all in. Kinda makes sense, right? Boom. And then lock them. Good luck with that though, because it doesn't really match super well. To lock it, there you go, maybe it'll help. And then the top right here goes together, and then you can cook on top right here. It takes quite a bit to put together, and once you build it, it's kind of all over the place sideways. It doesn't really fit that smooth together. I guess if I push it together, boom, it kind of lined up all the way. There you go. Okay, let's make a little fire and boil the water. Okay, I have here my favorite fire starter, and we're gonna light it up, let it go in, and then drop it in here, and just put some sticks over that fire starter. Pretty quickly it started burning from the inside under there to the twigs. There's a little smoke. A little bit of the oxygen blow into this hole and it starts to flame. As long as your firewood is dry, it's going to burn really good. I guess the best advice using this stove, don't put it all the way to the edge, so that way you have some flames are burning from the hot coals, and so that way the flame don't come off from this end. So kind of put the stick almost at 90 degrees like that, so that way there's a little bit of space over there, and it's burning really well, smokeless. Now let's boil some water. Got my folding pot, set it just like that. Boom, full pot of water. Let's boil it, see what happens. The water about to start boiling, and this is why I love rocket stoves, because they are very efficient with just a little bit of twigs, sticks. You don't need anything giant and major. You got here smokeless fire. It's pretty consistent if you watch it and constantly pushing it a little bit forward and maybe add on small pieces. You don't want to clog up the entrance, that's for sure, over there in the back of it, so the coals can breathe. But yeah, constant, really good flame in there, and it's boiling soon. So 15 minutes, a big pot of water. It's pretty decent, couple cups of tea. This is nice. A little bit longer it will be full boil. Really awesome. So I really love this rocket stove because it's one of a kind, because I never seen such a durable foldable rocket stove. I like it a lot.